Did you know that about 70% of city dwellers have balconies? Yet, many of them sit empty and neglected. So, how can we transform these small spaces into something amazing? It's time to transform it into a cozy outdoor oasis. In this video, we'll share a variety of refreshing balcony decoration ideas for 2024.
Simple furniture, clean lines, neutral colors for a relaxing minimalist balcony. Bohemian vibes, incorporate colorful rugs, floor cushions, fairy lights, and macrame decor for a cozy boho-inspired balcony setup. Urban jungle balconies show how to transform a small balcony into a lush green haven with potted plants, vertical gardens, and hanging planters. Scandinavian-inspired balcony use light wooden furniture, muted colors, and cozy textiles to create a Scandinavian-style outdoor space for relaxing and sipping coffee. DIY pallet furniture ideas build eco-friendly and budget-friendly balcony furniture using wooden pallets, perfect for creating seating areas or tables. Maximize your small balcony with foldable furniture, multifunctional pieces, and creative storage solutions. Use vertical space and declutter regularly to create a cozy outdoor retreat. Elegant bistro balcony create a cafe-inspired outdoor setting with a bistro table and chairs, perfect for morning coffee or a romantic dinner. Cozy reading nook convert the balcony into a personal retreat by adding a comfy chair, bookshelf, and some soft lighting for the perfect reading corner. Seasonal decoration ideas refresh balcony decor for different seasons, with cozy autumn vibes, vibrant summer styles, or festive winter decorations. Explore modern outdoor lighting options like LED string lights, lanterns, and solar-powered lamps to make the balcony come alive at night.